Want to sync your Suunto watch with Strava in 2025? Let me show you the full step-by-step process so your runs, rides, and workouts all show up automatically. Step 1. Open the Suunto app on your phone. From there, head over to your profile. On iPhone, look under Partner Services. On Android, it's in Settings, Account, Connect to other services. Now tap Connect to Strava. Sign into your Strava account, hit Authorize, and that's it. Your accounts are linked. Once it's set up, all your new workouts will sync automatically from Suunto to Strava without you lifting a finger. But here's something important. Past activities won't sync automatically. If you want older workouts in Strava, just open that activity inside the Suunto app, tap the three-dot menu, and choose either Export Fit or Export GPX. Then go to the Strava web dashboard and upload that file manually. Now let's flip it around, syncing Strava routes to your Suunto watch. First, make sure your Suunto app is linked to Strava. Then, in Strava, save or star the route you want. Open the Suunto app, go to the Map tab, and tap the library flag. There, you'll see your Strava routes. Just toggle use in watch for the ones you want synced. You can sync up to 15 routes at a time directly to your watch. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Suunto to Strava in 2025. Sync your workouts, export your history, and even send routes to your watch. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.